Now first I just want to say congratulations for taking action. You are definitely on your way to making good money by selling t-shirts online using Facebook. But before I send you over to the members area, I have one more offer here for you. What I've done here is I've put together 62 of my previous designs that I either didn't use because I ran out of time and didn't have time to list it on Teespring, or I may have used it. But what you can use for all these 60 designs, you can use them as a swipe file to make new designs around those niches. And then that will help you save a ton of time when you're designing your own graphics, because I'm going to be giving you full private label rights to these graphics. Basically, you can do anything you want with these graphics. You can even sell them if you want. It doesn't matter to me. But I highly recommend taking these graphics, change them up a little bit, and apply them to your own designs. And like I said, this will help you save a lot of time coming up with new design ideas. Let me just quickly show you some of the stuff you're going to get here. As you can see here on the left hand side, all of these are the folders, are all included in this package. So I'll just go through some of them here, and I'll show you some examples of some shirts that I never put up or I may have tried. But I have a whole bunch in here that you could use, and you can use these as templates, and you get the full source Photoshop files. So that's really good. I got a whole bunch here in NHL, even Big Bang Theory, Breaking Bad. These are a couple that I never did list on Facebook or on Teespring. A whole bunch of NFL Broncos, all the designs I did here, a whole bunch of them. And there's ones like this for like dentist, all these different icons. They're all separate icons. You'll get all those as well. Engineering one, Irish one, Labrador, the Miami Heat, whole bunch of nurse shirts. Like some of these designs here for the nurse stuff, these individual icons, I placed them in there myself. This one design took me something like 8 hours to do. So this is some really good stuff here. It probably cost you like $100 or $200 just for this single design to get someone to do this. So there's a whole bunch of different designs here that you can use. There's even some with the Olympics here. Obviously there's no Olympics going on right now, but what you want to do is you can utilize these files in your own templates. So anyways, I have a whole bunch here that you can grab for a really low cost. If you add it all up, there's actually 62 designs in here, and if you're gonna pay someone, say like $15 per design, because some of these designs, like the one you're looking at right here, this isn't something you can just sort of whip up in like 5 minutes, right? And you go buy something from Fiverr. Usually the quality of graphics from Fiverr isn't that good. So let's say about $15 per shirt. So if you take 15 times 62, that's $930. So you can comfortably say this is worth at least 500 bucks. So this is a really good package to grab, and it will basically give you a huge advantage by getting these individual little pieces that you can use inside of Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, that's okay. We actually have a secret link that we found online for a really good special going on with Adobe right now called the Photoshop Photography Program. You can actually get Photoshop CC, which is basically the same as I show you in all the videos in my course, as well as the Lightroom for only $9.99 a month, basically $10 a month. And that is an absolutely incredible deal. I can't stress how awesome that deal is. If you think about it, the regular price of Photoshop, I think, is around $700. That's 70 months worth of paying this cost here. So if you kind of think about it, that's almost 6 years. So you're paying basically just a tiny fraction of the entire price at just $10 a month. You'll definitely be able to make that money back just by selling t-shirts on Teespring, and in fact you'll most likely be able to pay for the whole thing at $700 within like a month. So this is a really good deal, and I think they even give you access to it for like the first month free or something like that. I'm not totally sure, but this is a really good deal, and we provide this right in our membership area. Now there's one last thing I do want to mention, is that I will be removing this offer along with the front end offer when it expires. So you'll see on the front end that it's going to expire. Well, this page will also expire at the same time. So it's crucial that you decide to grab it right now, especially at the lowest price, which is the price you see right now under the video. So make sure you grab it before this is gone. All right, that's it. Thanks again, and congratulations for taking action, and we'll see you in the members area.